Thank you for stopping by this short demonstration of WilsonWeb. The WilsonWeb module allows every patron or every student at your library to create his or her own WilsonWeb identity. Once an identity has been created, the user gains access to a personal area within WilsonWeb where he or she can customize search preferences, store saved records and searches from any Wilson database, and manage and update alerts and RSS feeds. Click on the WilsonWeb link next to Customize Display located at the very top of the WilsonWeb interface to get started. You will be prompted to sign in using your existing WilsonWeb account information. If you don't already have an account, click on New Account. Fill in your first and last names, enter an email address, and assign yourself a password, and you're ready to go. Let's log on to an account I've already created. I'm going to select Sign In and enter my username and password. Once you've entered your username and password, select Login. Now that I have been authenticated, I have gained access to my WilsonWeb account. First, notice that your username appears in bold above the menu links on the left. In the next few minutes, we'll review each of these menu links. In the body of the interface, you can see searches that I have saved already from several WilsonWeb databases. These searches can be rerun or deleted directly from your WilsonWeb account. Alerts in WilsonWeb can take two forms. They can be email alerts or RSS feeds. The three alerts you see below are all RSS feeds, identifiable by the familiar orange RSS icon. Functionally, RSS and email alerts perform the same task. They notify you every time a new article or record satisfying the parameters of your search is added to WilsonWeb. However, email alerts arrive in your email inbox, while RSS alerts can be read using a reader, which can be web-based, desktop-based, or browser-based. The important thing to remember is that WilsonWeb will keep a record of all of your alerts, and this is where you can come to monitor them. Individual articles from every WilsonWeb database can also be saved into your WilsonWeb account. Here's how you save articles into your account. From the search results page, click on the Save to WilsonWeb link from either the Brief Results view or the Full Record view. Back inside the Saved Article menu of WilsonWeb, notice that I have records saved from a variety of WilsonWeb databases. In a moment, I'm going to scroll through this set of records, which includes images, full-text articles, citations, and even a film record from Cinema Image Gallery. Down toward the bottom of my list, you can see a book record from one of our core collection databases and several U.S. President biography records. You may have noticed that most of my saved records have an American history focus. There is no limit to the number of WilsonWeb accounts a user may create, so in case you are working on several projects simultaneously, we encourage you to create as many accounts as you'd like. For example, one for your American history research, and one for your sociology research, and one for your art history research, and so on. Select the Update Account link if you'd like to change any of your account information, like your username or password. You might have noticed that when we originally signed into this account, that our interface changed from blue to green. This happened because I chose green as my default interface color right here in the Customize Interface menu. When I signed into WilsonWeb, my interface preferences were loaded, overwriting the search preferences set by a library administrator. In the Customize Interface menu, I also have the option to change how many records per page display on my results pages, either 10, 20, or 50, whether or not my results will appear in brief view or full view, and how my results are sorted. Here are your choices for record sorting. Please visit our homepage at www.hwwilson.com for more information or to sign up for a free 30-day trial for any WilsonWeb database.